school year, here we go! Hey, you! Yeah, you with the shiny new shoes. I'm Benny the backpack, and ooh boy, do I have a story for you. First things first. See that lunchbox friend hiding and feeling nervous on the first day of school? Just like you. Want to know my secret trick? I call it the high and try. Say this. Hi, wanna try building blocks with me? Boom! New friend unlocked! Spilled juice on the table. Relax, kiddo. In this class, we don't cry over juice rivers. Oopsie daisy, no big deal. Clean it up and keep it real. See, mistakes are just practice in disguise. Wanna be a hero? Pad your pencils, hang up your coat, obey class rules, and listen to the teacher. Boom! Responsibility hero unlocked! Oh, the giggle rule! We laugh with people, not at them. Kind giggles only, my dear friends. Here's the deal. Be kind, be brave, share your stuff, clean up your oopsies, and say hi to someone lonely. Do that, and this school year, it'll be the best adventure ever! Oh, and don't forget to unpack your lunch. I'm starving in here. Welcome to the new school year.